I think she's looking to see if I'm looking. No way. She's all over this like a ham bone, sissy. Do you hear her? Bryn! Bryn? What are you doing? What are you doing, Bryn? What are you doing? Huh. For a minute. What are you doing? Oh, it's sweet. Are you hungry? You're gonna chew on sleep time, Bear? Your little lamb? His foot tastes good. Oh boy. Yeah. His foot tastes good. Bryn, does he make you happy? Huh? Oh boy. Hi. You see me? Oh no, she's gone back for more. Look at her. Oh, you'll eat up all the bear's toes? You'll eat up all the bear's toes. Look at Bryn. She's not giving him a break, huh? Bryn, look at Aunt Jessie. Look over here at Aunt Jessie. What are you doing, sweet girl? Tell everybody hi. Oh, she's going right back for his foot.